कॉटन से
Hello and a very warm welcome to another episode of Metro Heights. I'm your host Athar for today, and we are at Mystic Studio, Shivalik, New Delhi, and we have with us Nidhi Tandon. Welcome back, Nidhi ji, to Metro Heights, and welcome one and all to Metro Heights. New viewers may kindly subscribe to our channel for more notifications and updates. Well, viewers, thank you so much for your overwhelming response in our last episode. And you really appreciated our articles, which I mean, the articles that were showcased in the last episode received a very, very good response. So, considering that, keeping that in mind, we are back again with some fresh collection of corsets, tunics, two-piece, one-piece, gowns. So much is there in today's episode, viewers. So, I will not be able to elaborate on this topic. Let Nidhi ji herself take an initiative to throw some light in on today's episode. Well, before we actually begin, let me announce a few things. I will not take much of your time. COD option is not available. Shipping is not free. It will be charged at actuals, weight-wise, city-wise, and country-wise. Sizes, barabar suniega. She will be reading out the sizes. If you have any kind of doubt, please get back to her. She will help you with the correct size chart. Okay, no refund, no exchange policy, which every store has. So does this. So please follow the rules of the business. Parcel opening video is mandatory in case you want to highlight any kind of manufacturing defect, because parcel opening videos act as a support system, viewers. Unedited, uncut, 360 degrees mein hona chahiye. Okay, and delivery is as usual across the globe. And last but not the least, one more important point: both the buying options are open, retail as well as wholesale. The prices that are going to be announced in today's video are going to be retail prices, which means single piece price. For wholesale, you may get back to the team. I will not reveal any kind of terms and condition purely due to business reasons. Okay, so I am done with almost all the points. Still, if something is left over, Nidhi ji will take care during the course of the episode. So without any further delay, I give control to Nidhi ji. Over to you.
So thank you, Adar. I think all points as usual are covered by him. And first
Thank
of
you.
all, we had an overwhelming response in the last episode,
Hmm.
whether it was our shirts or Indo-Western or suits.
Hmm.
And today, aaj ka
What
jo
are we going to see today?
today we're going to be seeing a lot of shirts, lot of kaftans, lot of whites, off-white suits,
Hmm.
and some very nice quads. So पूरी collection last time से opposite है,
Mhm.
different है और new है.
I think thank you so much, viewers. I think you trust us so much and you like our products. So it's kind of a motivation. It gives us confidence to work more harder and get some new things every time. Okay. So
So before we start off, I just want to say one thing. अगर हमारा वीडियो ये वाला लंबा रहेगा, प्लीज उसे 2 पार्ट्स में देख लेना.
Nidhi ji always says the same thing.
Because I have a lot of collection, I know it's going to be a
and
little
she is
lengthy.
always scared, कि अगर suppose किसी ने मिस कर दिया तो अब मेरा रह जाएगा तो नहीं ना. तो है ना, this is like प्री वीडियो शूट की हमारे डिस्कशंस रहते हैं. बोला नहीं ऐसा कुछ नहीं है, जिसको जो पसंद आएगा वो लेगा ही लेगा.
So and I think he'll cover that in the highlights. So let's start off because
Yeah.
Eid is also coming, so we get very excited.
Just around the corner.
Just
Okay.
around the corner.
So viewers, we will start with smart short kurtis and shirts. Okay, so this is your favorite segment, I know that. So this has beadwork and beautiful Hawaiian print.
And this is the back.
Yeah,
and we're
style,
also covering beachwear.
Beachwear also, right?
So क्योंकि holidays अब सब मार्च से plan करना शुरू कर देते हैं.
Puffy shoulders and puffy sleeves, bishop sleeves. And this is the look of the article, and the neckline has all the beadwork.
So this is from medium to a double XL. The price point is 999 only.
999 only. This is, look at this dress. And accessories come free of cost, viewers.
सारे के सारे accessories inclusive हैं, guys.
Inclusive of prices. And one more important thing, if you are not interested in any of the accessories, so you may ask for the suit only. Okay, तो उसका price कम हो जाएंगे.
So next pieces I'm showing you are 750 each.
750 each.
हाँ जी, और इसमें medium to 4XL रहेगा और इसमें medium to double XL रहेगा.
ठीक है.
And another one out here is another off-white piece, or this is kind of an embroidery only. It's a machine work.
Yes.
और medium to size इसका XL double XL again रहेगा. Price is 999.
These are all comfortable clothes, viewers, for hot
जो रोज आपको चाहिए for going to your child's school or a little get together, whatever. This
looks so pretty. I mean, the color is so nice.
ये cotton linen का piece है, embroidery है.
Golden कटदाना.
And this one is 1195, sizes medium to a double XL.
All right.
क्योंकि इस पे थोड़ा work आ गया.
ये साइड में रखना.
And another piece which I would like to show you is this one.
Comes
ये
in ikat print with shifly sleeves के ऊपर
and
ये
इस तरह से
laces.
sleeves जा रही है.
Yes.
With the beads, the price is 999 again, and the size is medium to a double XL.
Okay. So medium to double XL, that means 38 to 44 viewers.
हाँ
So
जी.
anyway, I think whenever you're giving any kind of size, so please share in numerics. Don't give in Roman. Okay.
Yes.
So Roman will lead to confusion as unnecessarily. So please come back with numerical sizes. ठीक है? Size in numerics.
And
Sorry.
then we have this one. This is again 795, and इसके ऊपर सारा smoking है. ये देखिए.
स्मोकिंग का काम किया गया है, ऊपर से
आगे और
एम्ब्रॉयडरी भी
पीछे.
है, और ये देखिए कितना प्यारा स्टाइल है.
888 only, and the size is medium to a XL.
वेरी नाइस.
Another piece out here is medium to a 4XL, 3XL तो आएगा ही.
स्मार्ट, वेरी स्मार्ट.
इस पे भी देखो लेस रन कर रही है.
Yeah.
The price is only 888 with the accessory. Another one is a good hot pink color, और उसकी डिटेलिंग भी अगर आप देखोगे तो इस तरह से आ रही है. Price is 888 only. Then we
888.
have a funky piece which will go from medium to plus sizes. The price is 750 only.
All right.
It's a cute number. Another one is another cotton one. This is 695 with the beads. Medium to a double XL. Another piece out here is again a very rich, nice cotton piece. ये देखिए.
Very nice.
And the price is 650 only.
All right.
Starting. Another one, medium to 3XL with these beads. Price is 999 again. It's a soft cotton denim sort of a material. It's a very rich article. Then we have this one, cheese cotton में है, और इसकी embroidery देखिए. Price is 1095.
Very beautiful.
And this one is in crepe, और crepe की सोनी तीनों दे दो. ये वाला crepe में है, जो भी crepe डालते हैं, ये सारा embroidery है. And the piece is coming for, some of the pieces are from for dog charity. We always start our videos like that. You must be observing. जो भी regularly देख रहे हैं. So ये है 1195 medium to a double XL. Another crepe piece, ये hip covering है. 1195. Look at, it's a statement piece.
एक मिनट, अभी मत जाओ, रुको.
Statement piece है, और ये hip covering है.
Wow, this is
and
so
this is
beautiful.
A beautiful piece, और इसकी अभी ड्रेस भी आएगी सेम प्रिंट में.
निधि जी, इसका नेक पीस कितना हॉट है,
और इसमें आपको और 3-4 पीसेस हैं, सबके नेक पीसेस चेंज हो जाएंगे.
अच्छा, ये कपड़ा बता दूं, ये मोडाल सैटिन है, मोडाल सिल्क है.
हाँ जी, जो मैंने अपनी एग्जीबिशन में खुद अपने हाथ से 2800 का बेचा है, इज 1195.
और बता दो आगे लाना. ये नेक पीस तो शानदार जानदार है सच में.
And then this one, these we are booking orders on, all the order shirts which will run to the plus sizes as well. और कोई भी कलर आप बनवा सकते हैं, जैसे आपको बल्क में बनवाना है तो. वैसे इनका प्राइस रहता है 1888. Our price right now up till the plus sizes is only and only 1195. And then you can see these denims. This is a repetition of last time, क्योंकि यही एक इकलौता पीस होगा. ये वाला है 1495, ये वाला है 1295. Diamantes are real, guys. Please note, 1495, 1195. This is more, longer.
Longer.
And then we have this satin crepe piece, which is 14.
Even this is very smart.
95 only. So this is crepe.
Wait. This is crepe. 1495.
And this is a premium crepe and a very pretty, nice number. And then we have this one. This, I think I personally have the piece, and I've worn it to the best farmhouses in Delhi.
This is so royal.
So this one is a 1650. We can develop it in any color, with a slip, any size, whatever. पूरी एम्ब्रॉयडरी ऐसे है जैसे हमारे काफ्तान पे होती है. 1650 इज वैल्यू फॉर मनी. ये सारे डेवलप हो सकते हैं जो बंच मैंने आपको अभी दिखाया, इंक्लूडिंग दिस पीस.
कितना प्यारा है कॉटन.
दिस इज आल्सो आवर सैंपल पीस फ्रॉम वन ऑफ द एग्जीबिशंस आई डिड, एंड दिस इज ओरिजिनली इन ब्लैक एंड नेवी ब्लू. And we can do any size. So this is a sample piece. Don't go by this mark.
This is very beautiful, huh? Very
and this
beautiful.
is 1495. पूरा कटदाना आ रहा है.
अच्छा, पैंट भी है क्या निधि जी उसमें? कि only
We
shirt
can
है?
put pants. अभी मैं पूरे शो में आपको 3 शिफले पैंट्स दिखाऊंगी जो हम ऐड कर सकते हैं किसी में.
कोई भी ना?
हाँ जी.
Very nice.
Then we have small, medium, large only for this one. It's 750 hip covering. Shifley. Do not miss these ones. Now these are special pieces. You can see the taper. You can see how it is going. Size इसका medium to XL, double XL रहेगा. Price इसका रहेगा 888.
Pure cotton.
Pure cotton. And then we have this one. इसमें आ गया है ये sandals का. ये दोनों equally similar है, medium to 3XLs, and you can see कि इस तरह से patch आ रहा है. So any size you require, we'll give you that. And 888. Then we have a medium to a double XL. This one 888. Small, medium only now for this one, and the price point is 888. So you can see ये horses बने हैं, and ये वाला Georgette है. Another piece.
Wow, this is so nice.
ये है crepe पर guys. फिर से hip covering है.
लेकिन
size
crepe तो है. निधि जी एक मिनट आगे लाइए. अच्छा, क्रेप का पूरा सूट है, इसके ऊपर पूरा शिफली का जाल बिछा दिया है.
शिफली का जाल है.
Wow.
So this is 1195. Back is
very
plain.
smart shirt, very smart.
So we have put all these kind of accessories too.
Accessories दिखाओ यार, accessories कितनी प्यारी है.
हमने इसको पूरा आपको पैकेज बना के दिया. Now this is again a very rich piece. It's a अगर आप Zara वगैरह से लेते हो तो यही पीस आप बहुत एक्सपेंसिव पिक करते हैं. Medium to double XLs can apply. It's
all embroidery, na?
1195.
1195.
And back is plain, chiffle and embroidery. It's a very elegant.
Fabric
piece.
is crepe, na?
Fabric is crepe.
All right.
And the next piece is this. This is printing, medium to 3XL. And the price point of this is 999 again.
If you okay, fine.
Then we have funky pieces like this. You can see कि ये आपका एम्ब्रॉयडरी आ रहा है सारा बीज वाला और इस तरह से आ रहा है. स्लीव्स इसका मीडियम टू एक्सेल ही रहेगा. प्राइस इज 999. फॉर पीपल हु लाइक जॉर्जेट, डू नॉट मिस दिस पीस. दिस इज अप टिल अ 3XL and the price is only 750. Then we have tunics like these. Do not miss it.
Wow.
So these are imported tunics. We all know they are coming down from Hong Kong. And this is the look of the piece.
Very beautiful.
The price is 1195 only.
ये देखो बहुत बढ़िया पीस व्यूअर्स. और ये इनके साथ ये
neck piece, scarf and stole. Okay, so I was the second person to launch necklace scarves in Delhi Exhibition World.
अच्छा.
Also, so medium to double XL का tunic रहेगा. उसके साथ हमने ये funky इसको बना दिया.
scarf के साथ.
And ये है 1195 के.
Wow.
ठीक है. So it's value for money.
Very nice.
And now some holiday wear. हॉलीडे वेयर लोगों का मई जून में आता है, हमारा अभी आता है क्योंकि हमें पता है कि एग्जाम्स होते ही एवरीबॉडी वांट्स टू गो फॉर स्टेकेशंस. So we are showing you a batch of kaftans which we are doing 999 specially for Metro Heights. Please, anybody watching me at Instagram or Facebook, it's not for there. Only
it's
if
only
you
for Metro Heights
send
viewers,
a screenshot from Atar's channel, it is 999, otherwise not. And no fighting on it.
बहुत प्यारा आर्टिकल है.
So this is usually 1888, which is going on 999. It's value for money. Yeah. And satin crepe है. ये वाला तो value for money है. Then you can see this 1195. Sorry, 999. I forgot. I actually forgot.
No problem.
And then we have this one. So एक हमने standard rate बना दिया so that it's easy and breezy कि आप अपने screenshots ले लीजिए. One. Then two, it's a beautiful piece, this one. Then these ones are sheer pieces. Please note, इसके नीचे अगर slips चाहिए तो आपकी slip बनेगी 500 की शैंटून की. सोनी कितने की slip बनती है प्लीज व्यूअर्स को सामने बता दो.
कितने की बनती है?
500. वो खुद ही बनवाती है.
अच्छा. तो
मैंने इसीलिए आपको बहुत frankly बता दिया. ठीक है. So this is another one. These are crazy prints and the same prints if you see it on Instagram, you know कि 2800 के लोग बेच रहे हैं. हम नहीं बेच रहे. हम आपको बेस्ट पॉसिबल देना चाह रहे हैं. ये देखिए. ठीक है. स्टनिंग पीसेस. एंड देन वी हैव दिस वन. ओके, नाउ दिस इज समथिंग दैट वी मेक एंड ओनली वी मेक. ये मार्केट्स में नहीं मिलेगा. सो इसमें हम डालते हैं यूजुअली एक ग्लेस कॉटन का इनर, और यूजुअली 90% पीसेस में यही रहेगा, सब में इतना इतना मार्जिन रहेगा. So anybody who's a plus size, we can open it. So these are different pieces which are 1495 average. कोई कई होगा जो 1195 का होगा, वो हम बता देंगे. ठीक है. तो पीस 1 is this, पीस 2 is this with a jacket. हमारा पूरा सेट आपको मिलेगा at 1495. Then we have this one. इसका स्लीव्स थोड़ा सा छोटा है, तो ये सिर्फ एक्सेल लार्ज तक ही आएगा, अदरवाइज नहीं आएगा. So इसका मैंने आपको बता दिया. It's a beautiful jacket piece. All accessories are included, otherwise you just miss out the fun of the piece. ये देखो, बहुत pretty सा neck piece है.
Very nice.
Then we have this one. For example, this one is 1195 only. It's a very very pretty.
What
nice.
is the fabric?
अब इसमें आपका क्रेप आ गया, अंदर आपका कॉटन, ग्लेज कॉटन चल रहा है, जो कि हमने 160 रुपया मीटर लिए. और इस तरह की अगर शिफले पैंट्स आपको साथ में चाहिए, सो वी कैन अपग्रेड इट. इसमें आपको व्हाइट, बेज और ब्लैक मिलेगी. अभी मैं सारी शिफले पैंट्स और दिखा दूंगी इधर. और इसके नीचे हमने बाय चांस ड्रेस डाल दी है, बट अगर आपको ये ड्रेस नहीं चाहिए, सो वी कैन इवन गिव यू अ प्लेन piece like we just gave. And then this is with a very pretty jacket
in net, na?
Yes, in net.
Shrug. Yeah.
And this neck piece is by an award winner, national award winner, which we've put in this one along with the earrings. And this one is a attached piece. ये वाला अगर आप देखेंगे तो attached piece आ रहा है guys. So we made it really funky. और इनके नीचे आप कोई भी लोअर ले सकते हो. एक सोनी लोअर दिखाना वो वाला बेटा. सो इस तरह से वी कैन मेक यू अ सेट ऑल्सो, वो आपकी मर्जी है. ठीक है. एंड देन वी आर शोइंग यू सम मसलिन काफ्तान्स विच आर रियली रिच लुकिंग. लुक एट दीज वंस, वेरी प्रिटी वन,
पिचवाई
प्रिंट. एंड दिस इज ऑल विद ट्राउजर्स. इस तरह से ट्राउजर्स होंगी. मैं एम नॉट शोइंग यू द ट्राउजर्स, सब में भी हैं. ठीक है. और इस तरह से ये पीसेस हैं. ये सब 1495 के हैं सेल पर, सो इट्स कॉमन फॉर ऑल. दिस वन, और इस पे जैसे हल्का सा सरोस्की है, थोड़ा लंबा है. ये देखिए. और इसी के साथ आपका ये वाला आ गया प्रिंट. वो मस्टर्ड था, ये बेजिश में है. और these are like semi formals, easy go breezy pieces which you can wear anywhere you desire. इस तरह से सोनी ड्रेसेस. Look at these.
थाम के बैठिए, कुछ बहुत बढ़िया खादी कॉटन में कुछ कॉट सेट्स देखेंगे हम.
So this is khadi cotton linen. It comes in a free size, but we are going to alter every piece and send it to you. And this is all chantilly lace, and we have a few colors. They are all pepped up with beautiful neck pieces, because otherwise they'll look quite plain. And so I'm showing you the color tones of this. So this is, if you see, इसमें हमने beads डाले हैं. ये beads हम
fabric quality is very good,
very nice. और अगर हम beads कभी exhibitions में बेचे ना, तो वो भी 1000 का रेट है. But हम आपको बहुत बेस्ट रेट दे रहे हैं इसका, 2488 only. 2488. So 4 colors we have shown you, and these are really outstanding pieces. Not because we are showing it, otherwise also. So double XL तक cover करेगा ये. Then we have these शिफले quads, और इसके आप color tones आप देखना. Pastel to light dark जा रहे हैं. ये medium to XL ही availability है इसकी. और इस तरह से इसका embroidery है. सब belts में ऐसा work मिलेगा. Color 1, color 2, color 3, color 4, and color 5. So these are 2195 only retail. ठीक है. And then we have this one for शिफले. You can check out these pieces. ये भी medium to XLs रहेंगे. Very well matched pieces. We have opened them, but you can close them. हमने open इसलिए करा है so that you know कि इस तरह से भी आप डाल सकते हैं. Medium to XLs only. Please note it. The price is 1999 only. ठीक है. ठीक है. नेक्स्ट पीसेस आपके जा रहे हैं मीडियम टू 4XL. M to 4XL. इट्स अ सुपर सॉफ्ट क्रेपिश मटेरियल. और इसके साथ इस तरह के शिफले पैंट्स हैं. सो यू कैन सी कि इस तरह की ये शिफले पैंट्स हैं. इसमें आ गई बेज. ये देखिए.
अच्छा, कॉन्ट्रास्ट क्रिएट
हाँ
किया
जी,
गया है.
1999 ओनली.
हम्म.
इसको बाहर वी नीड इट. शिफले पैंट. So now these are towards the croppish angle for young girls or peppy moms. So these are 1999 only, and the price is price I've told you, and the size is small to large. And another such pieces are these two. ये भी crop के साथ हम लोग लेकर आए हैं 1999 only, and shipping above 2000 is absolutely free. इसमें ये भी आपका 1999 only है. So these are all imported nice classic pieces which you need for your holidays, staycations, visiting friends and all that. And then we have this one. इसको हम इस तरह का लुक दिया गया, but ये attached है. Medium to XLs only. I think blue वाला शायद double XL है. We can check on to the sizing. ठीक है, शायद maybe we have more pieces because this is all a new stock. The
So
price
is it detachable?
No, it's not detachable.
Okay, it's attached.
It's attached because sometimes you need for your official parties also. So that was the idea behind this piece. And the price is 1999 only.
All right.
And then we have a kaftan quad. इस तरह से ये kaftan quad रहेगा. Price is super amazing. It is only 2888 only.
ठीक है.
2888 only. It's crepe premium article. और उसी के अंदर मैं एक काफ्तान कोड इसी तरह का और दिखा रही हूँ जो कि 5XL को कवर करेगा. वो वाला आपका कवर करता है XXL तक. ये वाला कवर करता है 5XL तक.
Wow.
और दिस इज द पीस. दिस इज ऑल्सो 2888 ओनली. एंड देन वी हैव दीज पीसेस. ये वाला आपका 3XL तक है और ये वाला आपका XXL तक है. प्राइस ऑफ दिस इज 2588. ठीक है, ये भी इंपोर्टेड क्रेप है. इसमें वी हैव 3 कलर्स. अपेरेंटली वी हैव अ शो रनिंग इन गुड़गांव, सो यू कैन आस्क मी. इसमें बहुत प्यारे प्यारे कलर्स हैं. वो बाई चांस चारों के चारों पीसेस वहां चले गए. वी हैव मीडियम टू XXLs एंड उसमें पिंक और मस्टर्ड है. आई कैन शेयर द पिक्चर्स and the price is only 1999.
All right.
Then showing you this quad. It's a cotton base. Very pretty kaftan sort of a look. Anybody can buy it. Price is 1650. Another one. ये भी आपका set है. ये भी pants के साथ. And this is a deep cut. You can wear it as a dress also for a whatever. And free size again. The price is 1399. Another pieces for 1399. Pick it up.
Beautiful piece, huh? And this comes with
शिफले पैंट्स. दोनों के दोनों शिफले पैंट्स के साथ है. ये वाला प्लस साइज तक रन करेगा. ये वाला XL XXL तक रन करेगा.
ठीक है.
And a pure cotton. Another piece medium to XXL. Beautiful butterfly quad.
Is it a rubber print?
Yeah, it is.
Rubber print of this motifs, yeah. All right.
And it's got pockets. You can wear it for your official wear also.
Pure cotton.
1495. बहुत breathable cotton है.
Yeah.
Another very nice.
This is embroidery all over.
Medium to XXL. और इसकी ना अगर आप ये देखोगे तो यहाँ पे ये देखो buttons इतने smart से लगे हुए हैं दोनों तरफ.
Yeah, mother pearl buttons. Yeah.
And this one is 1999. Then we have another shifle piece. I think shifle is really in fashion, so we usually get in a lot of shifle articles. This one is a 1999 only.
Nice. Suits. We will start with 3-piece suits. Okay. So here we go.
So we're showing this piece. It's more like a gown than a suit with this kind of peppy
belt with the shell work and the crinkled
wrinkle look है. And इसमें sleeves नहीं है. अंदर में sleeves है. If you want, we can attach and send it to you.
Okay.
And the size is only S, M and a L for this one.
And what is the fabric?
Fabric is a crepish, georgette-ish kind of a fabric.
Flat chinon. This is flat chinon.
Flat chinon. And the price point of this one is 2400.
All right.
Then we have another one. ये आपका medium to XXL रहेगा. पूरी इसमें embroidery है. इसका neckline कुछ इस तरह से है. And the price point is 2495 only. Another one is this one, again an anarkali. एंड 3 पीस का सेट है. साइजेस
Beautiful.
आर अवेलेबल.
This is pure cotton and the neckline comes with hand embroidery.
Yes, and this is the dupatta. And
Machine
the
embroidery, sorry.
uh, and the price point for this particular article is 1888 only. And then we have this kind of a cotton dress with embroidery with this kind of a dupatta. It's again a 2 piece for 1195 only. And in this we have 2 colors and all sizes, medium to double XL. Price is only 1395
All right.
with embroidery here. यहाँ पर सारा embroidery.
ठीक है.
And then we have this kind of a beautiful nice piece which is medium
This
to
is viewers, let me tell you.
44.
Let me tell you, this caught my attention, this particular piece. Now this piece, let me show you from in close up. Now this is Dobby cotton, viewers, and this is pure soft cream butter cotton, and this has chikankari work and comes with angrakha pattern and semi stole dupatta in ikat.
It's
weave.
a handloom.
Yeah, handloom. So it's a very nice piece, viewers. Very
so
nice.
medium
piece.
to 44 is available.
Yes.
And यही कुर्ताज अगर आप फैब में देखोगे, मेरे पास ऐसी ड्रेसेस हैं फैब 1000 तक की. So ours is only 2495.
2495.
हाँ जी.
So पैंट भी है उसमें, हाँ?
हाँ जी, पैंट भी होगी.
Okay. Now
Then we have this one, and this is a chanderi piece with a cotton lower. It's a very very pretty nice number with beads, and this is the dupatta. The price is 2495 only.
अच्छा wait. तो ये देखो,
ये भी आपका अनारकली कॉटन का है. सारे साइजेस हैं अप टिल 46. और आपके बॉटम में भी इस तरह की लाइंस रहेंगी, और अगर आप देखोगे तो दुपट्टे पे भी ऐसी लाइंस हैं. प्राइस इज ओनली 1495. एंड देन वी हैव दीज cotton anarkalis. These are 1195 only. It's a lace play here, and this kind of a dupatta.
Pure cotton.
Yes, 1195 only. So medium to double XL is available for both. Then we have this with a little bohemian sort of a pattern. Pure cotton, medium to XL रहेगा इसका size. High low है. Price is 1395.
All right.
And another piece which is a small medium only, unfortunately, is a beautiful
chinon. Is it
chinon
chinon
piece? Yes.
Yes.
इसमें सिर्फ medium बचा है because we have a
38 बचा है.
38 बचा है. And the price is only 1888 only. And the next piece which I'm showing you is this. I think this color is really hot in demand. Medium to XL रहेगा. Price is 1650 only. And then if you have a haldi, we usually put some of the other things for haldi. We have this very gorgeous piece. And this also comes with this kind of a bag. The price is 2650 only with this one. And coming up now is a white collection after these 2-3 pieces. So by chance we wanted to start with white, but we just forgot.
So this is Banarsi Jacquard dupatta and black shirt. What is the fabric?
Fabric is a premium muslin. It's by a designer. She's a Niftian who's designing for us for our shows in Delhi. So we are Delhi Exhibition World Top 30 also. I think I forgot to tell you earlier. Or this is available till the plus sizes. ठीक है, जो भी plus size है, you can avail.
All right.
This one is also medium to plus sizes. It's a Georgette classic with this kind of sleeves. So ये वाला जो last piece I forgot to mention the price range of the last one. These both pieces are 2888 only.
2888 only. Now let me tell you something. The body portion is in fox georgette. Sleeves are in organza with this kind of fitting. And Kiran laces on the dupatta, organza dupatta, and moti work all over on the dupatta.
Because कभी-कभी formal pieces सबको चाहिए रहते हैं.
This is a very gorgeous piece, viewers.
This is like a achkan. We used to do a lot of achkans earlier. If you want, we can add a
Even
trouser.
This dress caught my attention, viewers. So I
it's
thought
a Georgette.
showcasing it. So it's a Georgette with comes with all Kashmiri sort of embroidery all over the body part.
And look at this
Chantilly laces का दुपट्टा, नहीं sorry, embroidered दुपट्टा and super net.
Super net दिया हमने, ये मैच करके इस तरह से दिए कि आप easy breezy summer winter डाल सकते.
So what is the fabric? Is it Georgette?
Georgette.
Okay.
Absolute Georgette और अच्छा वाला Georgette with margin. आप margin भी देखोगे तो 3-3
So it comes in free size.
Free size.
So you can extend it to 44 or 42. Okay.
Yeah. because
the case may be.
And this is again a 2695.
Wait.
So another very gorgeous piece. इसमें you could have a color choice of a different color lower as well. We put in this lower for you, and it's a medium to a double XL. It's a gorgeous piece. Price is 2588. Cotton based and a very pretty piece, and we've added this beautiful stole to it. So we like to dress up some pieces. And then we have these. These are 999 flat. Pure cottons with the neck pieces, and the size is medium to a 46 मिलेगा आपको 999 only. And now a gorgeous chiffle again. इसमें we've given you this neck piece to pep it up, very well matched. इस तरह से, and we gave you a Pakistani dupatta, and the size will go from medium to a 48.
Medium to a 48.
48.
Wow, this is very beautiful. This suit is
Okay,
very
इसका
nice.
lower?
So this comes in Kora cotton.
Yeah,
and the lower is there in the hanger.
Yeah.
And look at the hemline.
तो
All embroidery, machine embroidery. Even the neck has machine embroidery.
तो इसमें आपको सारे sizes मिलेंगे.
Sizes सारे मिलेंगे for 38 to 44 or 46 for that matter.
44, and the price point is only 1888.
Wait.
This is my favorite. This is again a Kora cotton, and the price point is 2195 for this one. And this is the dupatta, और इसके back पे भी काम है.
Wow, back बड़ा smart है. कोई ड्रेस के बैक इतने अच्छे लगते हैं ना, फ्रंट से ज्यादा
So
अच्छे लगते हैं
I
back.
really love to launch my whites and off whites in Feb, because we are starting with our shows in Delhi, so I get a little excited.
I know.
So this is 2188. This is my lifeblood actually. Okay, now another off white, and the size इसमें I think constraint तो नहीं है. क्या size लिखा सोनी में? ठीक है, medium to XL is available.
Okay, water sequence के साथ आएगा ये पानी sequence.
और देखो हमने कैसे neck piece match करा. And the price point is 2195 only.
All right.
इसका तो 100% constraint है, अभी है, but by the time the video is released, maybe we have more stocks in this.
It comes in Georgette.
Yes.
And the dupatta is
Chinon
in
है
chinon. And upper
so ये
portion में
small
chinon है.
medium ही आ रहा है, 38 है अभी.
एक मिनट. ये जो पोर्शन है ना व्यूअर्स वाइड, ये जॉर्जेट है, ऊपर ये चिनॉन है और दुपट्टा भी चिनॉन है.
दुपट्टा भी चिनॉन है और बहुत ही प्रिटी सा आर्टिकल है ये. और अभी फिलहाल मीडियम है, बट प्लीज इंक्वायर एंड बुक योर डबल एक्सेल्स और एक्सेल्स आल्सो. द प्राइस इज ओनली 2100. ओके, सो ये मीडियम टू डबल एक्सेल रहेगा. इसमें भी स्टॉक्स आ रहे हैं. Neck piece will change with every purchase.
A-line अनारकली है ये.
And I think this is the highlight of the show because I love it. And the price point for this is 2888 only.
2888 only. Wait.
So इसका foil work आप देख सकते हैं.
एक मिनट.
So these are two pieces.
Wow, colors दोनों बहुत अच्छे हैं.
दोनों के दोनों colors अच्छे हैं. Neck pieces के साथ हमने specially लगाए हैं. Look at this.
Very
the
nice.
price is only and only 2195 for these.
2195. Very good.
And if you want, we
Long
can add
length,
lowers on
as
an extra
well.
cost.
एक मिनट.
Okay, the next piece out here is a anarkali, and we haven't put any dupatta to it. It's just like that, and the size is medium to a double XL available in the same. And the price point for this beautiful piece is only 1650. Then we have medium to double XL in this set. The price for this is 1395 only. Another one.
Wow.
This is a pure chinon. It's a new piece. All sizes are available. Of course, बहुत सारी चीजें नहीं थी इस सेशन में. 80% तो थी.
बहुत बढ़िया सूट है व्यूअर्स. ये बहुत बढ़िया सूट है. स्ट्रेट में, चिनॉन में, और इतना अच्छा प्रिंट है. डिसेंट प्रिंट एंड स्कार्फ टाइप दुपट्टा, स्टोल टाइप दुपट्टा.
And it's highlighted with beads on the neck and here. And I just adore this piece.
Adorable piece. Seriously.
Also, बहुत ही प्यारा सा पीस है.
एक मिनट.
So ये आपका बैक आ गया.
ये आ गया बैक.
बहुत ही प्यारा पीस है. The price of this one is 2350.
एक मिनट.
Only.
इतना प्यारा आर्टिकल है ये. Not to be missed.
And the next to go is another very classic piece, and this is in Georgette. And this is all embroidered with chiffle lace and a plain dupatta. The price is 2495 for this. And this is a handloom sort of a chanderi. Please do not count it as the other chanderi. This, in fact, this designer is now making for Kareena Kapoor. And we can make this in any size. We have couple of pieces like this. So whatever size you want, we can make it, whether it's a plus or whatever. And the price point for this very pretty suit is 2488 only with the bottom. And then we have this kind of a pure Georgette Lucknowi. It's an absolutely pure piece.
Very nice.
With a
Shadow
neck
work.
piece.
Shadow work.
And इस तरह का दुपट्टा है सुपरनेट का येलो कलर का. So we pepped it up with yellow. And the price point for this is strictly on demand because we all know कि अच्छी Georgette वाले लखनवीज कितने के होते हैं, स्ट्रेट भी कितने के होते हैं. ठीक है.
Wow, even this is very nice.
Now this is a chiffle piece. This is the
This comes in hand brush paint dupatta, pure mull cotton dupatta, viewers, and this comes in cotton chiffle with
and
all
this
machine
is your
embroidery.
bottom.
Yeah.
And the price point is only 1888 only.
Okay.
1888 का ही set रहेगा.
Beautiful.
Now this is again a premium piece, guys. Embroidered, classic.
What is the fabric?
Muslin silk है और पूरा lined piece है और बहुत ही sorry it's not lined. I'm so sorry it's not lined.
It comes without a lining because it's not a see-through article.
Yeah.
The material is soft. Will not
because
itch.
ये somehow we missed onto this piece and this was there. Medium to double XL available with organza dupatta.
Very nice.
We have sold it for 3500. Right now it's on 2650.
All right.
It's a very rich article. Then we have a shorter kurta because people sometimes want this kind of a piece. And look at the 3-tone stole which we've added, and this is all hand paint by again that national award winner. I can't name her, but you can guess. And the price point for this is only 2488. Another piece, it's the same person. She's again a award winner person. This is the hand paint she's done on the this kurta along with this embroidery. We put beads and a normal trousers with this kind of a dupatta.
All right.
Price is 2350. And then again, this is also hand paint done by her. This is a maxi dress sort of a thing. This is without sleeves if you want. हम इस पे कोई ना कोई sleeves लगवा सकते हैं या आप खुद लगवा लीजिए. And this is again with this kind of a handloom sort of a scarf.
Nice, very nice, very nice.
And the price is 2488. It's a beautiful paint she's done.
Wait, hand painted, huh?
Hand painted.
Wait. Very beautiful piece, viewers, not to be missed. And dupatta comes in silk, I believe.
Yeah.
Yeah. Very
That's
nice.
actually by my
Ghichat is, I mean, this is, I think, Kosa kind of silk, huh?
Yeah.
Kosa silk.
This is the highlight for Eid or otherwise for your sundowners, for little functions between parties, which is our kaftans.
Very beautiful, very
and
pretty kaftans.
These are only with us till they are copied, and the prices are between 3488 to 3700.
Very
and
nice.
Now I'm showing you the style numbers.
अरे वाह, bird.
So bird आ गया. ये bird हमने थोड़ा सा लेंथ में कम बनवाया. अगर आप कहेंगे तो लेंथ में लंबा बन जाएगा. But there is a waiting again of 1 month for our kaftans. So you whatever orders you outright buying is immediate. And orders would take a month. ठीक है, उस हिसाब से आप चलें. और then we have this beautiful rose. Another one is this one. इसकी बारीकी आप देख लीजिए. बहुत
super smart, super smart.
बहुत ही pretty, nice, classic number है.
Yeah.
And this is actually taken away by a label. So we made 4 kind of colorways for them. It's a beautiful
piece. Beautiful piece.
And then we have this one, guys. इसमें भी हमारे पास purple है, but it's in the exhibition.
Okay.
And then something like this with a belt. ये वाला आपका जो piece है, ये आपका sale पर अभी 2588 पर है. Long है और medium to 44 ही आएगा. Then these drapes are on sale, which were never ever on sale. So this is a drape. It's 3500. Otherwise, it's 6500. And this is one side kaftan, one side drape. This is also 3500 for now. And now presenting a very beautiful piece. My heart flipped on it. It's a very pretty, nice.
Now, people's heart will flip on it.
It's a beautiful piece, and you can see the colors. I can show you almost the fit of this one because I am wearing one of these kind of designs in one of the haldis. So piece 2, piece 3 and piece
Wow,
4.
all the colors are very nice.
Very nice. Pretty pieces. All sizes are available.
Wait.
So up till 50 आपको इसमें sizing मिल जाएगी.
ठीक है.
To go are these 2 kaftan quads, and you can get any size between a medium to a size 50.
Mm-hmm.
The price is 3,500 only for these beauties.
All right.
And these are in chinon, and in this one you can get my own picture in it. We have multiple orders in this already. And the hanger is just not doing justice because I wore it for a page 3
This
haldi,
is
honestly.
so nice. This is so nice. Believe me, viewers.
And this is 3,888 only.
क्या आ रहा है?
Next यही आ रहे हैं set.
Cape style kaftans, viewers. Very nice. What's the material?
इसका है मसलिन सिल्क, और
Muslin
इस
silk.
पे हमने थर्ड टाइम रीलॉन्च करा है
Mm-hmm.
because it's a beautiful nice article. The price is 3,500 only.
All right.
And do not miss this one. It's a single piece and a beautiful nice material. Look at this.
If you could remember, viewers, इस print में पहले suits भी बहुत आए थे.
हाँ जी. And this is the look of it.
Yes.
It's got a plain lower, plain green, this green only, and this is all mirror work. And then we have a single piece in this. You can ask for more colors in this. At the moment, we are sold out.
Mm-hmm.
And it also comes with this bag. The price is 3,500. This is not the original piece. ये viscose में है. Please note कर लेना इस piece के लिए. इसीलिए इसकी price जा रही है 2,500.
2,500.
और इसका real piece 3,650 में है. कुछ भी नहीं है, बस fabric का difference है.
एक मिनट.
Which I'm showing is this one, and this comes with these kind
Tulip
of pants. Tulip pants के साथ है, और इसमें हम दो colors आपको दिखा रहे हैं. दोनों में इसी तरह की tulip pants रहेंगी. प्योर क्रेप का पीस है. It is not a run of the mill fabric. It's an amazing fabric with this kind of work and with a free potli.
ठीक है.
So the price is 3,500 only. And then we have this one. This one is with a divider. It's again a very decent kind of a super soft organza piece. And the price point for this is 2,650 only. And this is a stunner for me, at least it is, honestly, with this kind of a inside. अंदर का इस तरह से रहेगा, और साथ ही में you'll get these trousers, and the price point for this one is 3,800 only. And this is a pure crepe pot जैसे हम करते हैं, और unfortunately I have only one design, and the price is 3,288. Another jal kind of a piece, full on jal, with this kind of work is 3,299 only. And now showing you some micro purse. This one is a micro purse set for 2,650, and this is a kaftan quad in the micro purse with sequins here, 2,750. Then we have some kaftan quads on sale for the first time
Very
ever.
nice fabric, huh? Chinon, I believe.
हाँ जी, ये पूरे सेट्स हैं. वैसे हमारा प्राइसिंग रहता है 3,800.
Diamonds है क्या ये भी?
हाँ
साथ
जी,
में मोती.
हाँ जी. ये बट अभी 3,200 पीस 1, 3,200 पीस 2, 3,200 पीस 3, एंड 3,200 पीस 4. ये सिर्फ अभी इसी सेशन के लिए जितने भी पीसेस आपके सामने हैं बस. और इसके नीचे है प्लाजोस. एंड देन वी हैव दिस वन, again a pure piece with a dupatta. That I mean, since Eid is coming, we wanted to show you these pieces instead of the shararas which everybody is buying. This is again a nice piece for 3,650. ठीक है, पूरा complete suit है प्योर का. And then we have these beautiful gowns. अब इसके colors आप देख लीजिए. दुपट्टा ऐसे ही सेंटर में आएगा. 48 साइज तक आपको मिल जाएंगे फ्रॉम अ स्मॉल. और कलरवेज आप देख लीजिए. बहुत प्रिटी से कलरवेज हैं.
बहुत प्यारे, बहुत प्यारे.
एंड प्राइस फॉर अथर्स चैनल इज 3,500 only.
And what is the fabric?
Pure georgette.
Pure georgettes. And the dupatta also comes with a necklace style, in necklace style with some kind of work on it in the
Whenever
center.
I see something is on a deal, it's common for resellers, please, क्योंकि आराम से मैंने खुद इसको 7,500 का बेचा.
ठीक है.
So उसको आप देख लीजिएगा. Then we have these gowns which are with the dupatta, which are always with us. कभी ना कभी तो शो में मैं दिखाती हूँ, क्योंकि बहुत बारी बनते हैं. So ये बहुत comfortable pieces है. मेरे पास खुद में एक पीस है, because it's very good to carry it for your little weddings out of Delhi. जो भी आपकी destination weddings है, उसके लिए most comfortable piece रहता है with platform heels.
Very nice.
3,500 on for Eid. And then we have this, so usually we have sales around Diwali and Eid for such pieces. Then we have this one, इसमें आपको 2 colors मिलेंगे और ये भी आपका 48 साइज तक जाएगा फ्रॉम अ मीडियम,
ठीक है,
और पूरे दुपट्टे पे भी एंड में सीक्वेंस है।
एंड दिस इज ऑल कटदाना वर्क,
पूरा कटदाना।
कटदाना।
इसमें आपको 3 कलर्स मिलेंगे। अनफॉर्चुनेटली मेरे पास अभी एक ही है,
रामा ग्रीन, डार्क,
क्योंकि हमारा एग्जीबिशन चल रहा है, as I have mentioned, but still I've covered a lot of new clothes today. So this is also 3500 for the sale. Now this I'm sure you must have seen in one of the channels. And my original piece, same fabric, is 7400. Ours is only 2888. All sizes available, medium to
very pretty,
double XL. बहुत rich लगता है, कहीं पे भी डाला हुआ।
ये आर्टिकल बहुत सुपर रिच है। कितने का है वो?
2888 from our side. My original is also 7400.
Seriously, yeah.
Yeah, high low है।
And what was the fabric used?
It's a high end quality crepe.
अरे वाह,
satin
crepe. It's satin crepe.
वैल्यू फॉर मनी है।
या
अच्छा, और एक आप ये गाउन और देख सकते हैं, ये विस्कोस का गाउन है। मैंने इसको कल डील पे डाला है, तो सबके लिए डील है 1999 पर, फ्री साइज। एंड नाउ सम पीसेस विद बोहेमियन बैग्स एंड ड्रेसेस फॉर यू। दिस piece with a bohemian bag, medium to XL, is only 2499 on sale. If you want the bag, then 2999. ठीक है। Then we have a kaftan with a bohemian bag. Price is 2888 all inclusive. Another piece, so you can see here false mirrors है guys. उसके बाद ये लखनवी sort of pattern है। This one is a 3299 all inclusive.
Very nice.
And then we have this very pretty piece. This is like a bustier with a skirt. ये आपकी skirt आ रही है और ये आपका shrug आ रहा है।
Very nice.
So this is 2999 all inclusive.
All right.
And then we have these pieces. We were sold out in the last episode of Athar. So we've gotten these colors now. Color 1 with this kind of a look and a bohemian bag. The price is 3650 for this because this is a long one and the fabric is expensive.
All right.
और ये भी आपका 3650 रहेगा because this is also a long one. The fabric is.
Wait, huh?
Again,
this is such a beautiful piece. I can say, this is in what fabric is it? I think some imported fabric.
Yeah, import muslin,
tissue,
silk,
It's tissue.
Blended fabric.
Blended tissue, yeah.
And this one is a 3650 only, and this is all cut work. It's not
cut
a
work.
lace.
Yeah, and look at the bag, viewers. Bohemian sort of bag.
तो 3650 and मैं फिर से रिपीट कर रही हूँ, लेसेस नीचे हैं, ये कट वर्क करा गया,
कट वर्क है।
And now some pieces for dog charity again. I'm so sorry, Athar will start laughing. But anybody who wants to contribute to an NGO, you can get back to me. I'll give you my friend's number. She actually runs one. So these are Pintix dresses she makes. And today on the sale diaries, they are 1250. Otherwise, they are 1888. And इस पे सब में अगर आप देखोगे तो ये आपका पिंटेक्स हो रखा है,
पिंटक,
ठीक है। सो ये मीडियम से लेकर आपका आराम से 48 तक आता है। सो दीज आर वेरी वेरी नाइस प्रिंट्स, दे आर कॉटन ब्लेंड्स। ओके, नाउ प्लस साइज ड्रेस, ये प्लस को ही आएगी, अदरवाइज आप मत लीजिए। एंड इट्स अ वेरी नाइस डेनिम पीस। अदरवाइज हम ऑल्टर करा देंगे तो इसकी
चली जाएगी,
शो हो जाएगी, कोई इशू नहीं है, पॉकेट्स अंदर चले जाएंगे, ठीक है। आए दिन आते हैं ऐसे हमारे पास कपड़े। द प्राइस इज 1350। Another medium to a plus 1495. It is all ombre. And this one is a 1195 high low free size. And जैसे हमने स्टार्टिंग में आपको एक शर्ट दिखाई थी, उसी की शर्ट ड्रेस है,
ये ड्रेस है,
ये इसकी ड्रेस है। प्राइस इज 1350 एंड साइजेस आर अवेलेबल फ्रॉम मीडियम टू अ डबल XL. And then we have this one. It's a cotton linen. Free size piece. I mean, we can definitely do the alterations. The price is 1350. Then is another shirt dress. Again, this is a neck piece.
Beautiful neck piece.
By this award winner only. We've just invested on. Small, medium, large ही रहेगा ये piece. Price is 1295.
Wait, वो black देना इधर.
The next piece which I'm showing you is again a denim dress. Again a plus size. Please note the size which I'm mentioning. And this one is a 1450. So these are all good high quality garments. Now इसके अंदर में हमने इस तरह का भी आपको पीस दिखा दिया with little sequence. This kind of a neck piece will change with every purchase. 46 size तक available है 1250. Then we have a crepe article, medium से लेकर triple XL रहेगा इसका price. Size 1495 with this kind of a tie up. Small, medium, larges and XLs we haven't forgotten you. Kurta come dress. Price is 999. Another one. These are 888 guys. इस तरह के cute से pieces हैं ये. Because हर तरह के garments सबको चाहिए होते हैं. Then this is a high low. And this is good for a medium to a double XL. With this kind of a neck piece. ठीक है, प्योर कॉटन लिनन है. प्राइस ऑफ दिस इज 1195. Small, medium, larges we haven't forgotten you. With this belt, it's a very elegant, cute number with this kind of a wooden neck piece. Price is 1250. Then the most appreciated articles last time were these kind of cheese cotton dresses, and I've put a necklace scarf. As I had said, I used to do this.
Very nice.
And you can see that we've actually added a necklace scarf to it just to pep it up. The price is 1399.
Okay.
And this is again medium to a double XL size. और ये है small, medium, large and XL. मल cotton है ये भी. ये आपका रहेगा 795. So this is all about it for today's video. And guys, sorry the video was long. Just be with us. And follow us and follow Metro Heights mostly.
Thank you so much.
Thanks.
So that was all at Mystic Studio in today's episode, viewers. I hope you must have liked this video. It was completely an engaging episode, viewers. Seriously, the articles were too good, and most of them were designer pieces, of course. And as I got to know from Nidhi ma'am, that most of you guys are fond of, Alia cut anarkalis, mostly people from South. So in future also we will try to, get as many designs as we can. Much more. So I think this was just a glimpse actually. So we'll get some more and more collection. We'll add to our stock, add to a rack so that you can buy them. Okay. So thank you so much, Nidhi ji, for your great effort. And viewers, at the same time, thank you all for watching this video with patience and just bearing with us. And thanks for your love and support, first of all. And more than that, showing your trust on us.
Actually, trust
is more important, I think. Yeah. Most importantly. Okay, so with this note, we wind up. Indeed, we will catch up with you very soon in a new episode altogether with some new collection. Till then, goodbye and happy shopping.